Hey, good morning, Civics. Hope you're doing well. Just a little update on digital learning week number 5. You will be completing units 8.1, 8.2, PowerPoint video lecture notes. You have a test on profiles in Courage. Please note there's a 70-minute time limit to this. So you want to complete the test within 70 minutes. You may use your book. However, do not just go into the test thinking, well, I'll just search for the answers and be able to find them. You need to study beforehand. You're not going to have enough time to look at all of the questions and try to find the answers like a scavenger hunt. It will not work. Some questions, sure, but other questions, no. So you really want to look at the summaries and the questions that you have already answered for this book to help you with that test. So please complete that by Sunday. And then we're beginning a pretty cool project. I like it. It's called Supreme Court Facebook Case Project. You are not required to complete this project this week. It is actually due the 26th of April. However, you would be well advised to go ahead and start working on it. I wanted to show you a little bit about what that case or what that looks like. And so the first thing that we have here are the instructions, if you will. So you're creating this Facebook profile page. I've given you several resources here. There are, of course, others. Just make sure that they're credible research websites telling you about that particular case. And here is, the components, what I'm looking for, your rubric, if you will. So make sure you read through that. It looks like there's a lot, but really it's not that difficult as long as you just follow the instructions. Here are the cases. Now, some of you have already signed up for some cases, and so you need to check the comments to see what is still available and what's not still available. But I've put in all types of different cases here, ranging from student rights to abortion to same-sex marriage issues, just gun rights. There's pretty much something that all people are going to find that they're interested in. Now, you probably want to do a little research. You want to just kind of do a quick summary of each case to find out if this is something that you're particularly interested in before you select it. You don't want to do something that you're not going to enjoy. Once you've selected that and I've approved it, then your profile is going to look like this. I've given you a profile on how to do it, and then you're just going to fill in the blanks, fill in the boxes, if you will. So this is what yours is going to look like for your particular case. This, of course, is Gideon versus Wainwright, talking about an individual who's got the right to counsel, and this is the post here, and these are different people that were involved in the case, and they've got some unique little status updates, things that they're saying. Here's your basic information. Here are some friends. Of course, you'll go to info, talking about what the personal information of Clarence was. You've got impacts on society, the case basics. You've got photos that relate to the case. So all of this is here for you. Follow the rubric that I gave you as you're filling this in, and you'll do extremely well. So this is a great project, first of all, for you to gain some knowledge on the other case, on your case, but also on some other cases as they'll come. And it's a great way to pull up your grade. So you've got 2 weeks to work on this. Spend the first week finding the case and going ahead and start doing some research and start working on it, because you never know what happens next week. So here is the Facebook profile. You'll open this up and you'll be able to type right into it and have it set up. So that's already done. You just got to fill in the blanks. Hopefully this information helps you, and I look forward to the case that you're going to study and also the finished product. Have a great day.